Hi trader, and welcome to the Altrady channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful tools ever integrated into the platform, the Smart Money Concept Indicator. We'll talk about what it is, how to read it, how to use it, and most importantly, how it can drastically improve the quality and profitability of your trades. If you want to take your trading to the next level, stay with me. In recent years, more and more traders have begun taking inspiration from the so-called smart money concepts. The way major market participants like market makers, institutions, high capital investors actually move the price. These players don't trade like retail traders. They target liquidity points, exploit break of structure, shifts in character, fair value gaps, and much more. Altrady has transformed all this into a proprietary indicator developed in-house, available only on Altrady and included in the essential and premium plans. The Smart Money Indicator reads market structure for you, identifies key elements, and allows you to trade like professional investors. Altrady's Smart Money Indicator visually translates market structure in a clear, immediate, and professional way. Here's what it shows you. One of the most important elements for understanding market direction, the indicator automatically highlights swing highs and swing lows, with red dots and green dots. The red dots show swing highs, and the green dots show swing lows. This gives you instant visibility of the trend structure, the sequence of relevant highs and lows, changes in buying or selling pressure. The indicator also visually marks the buy and sell side liquidity. These are zones where sellers' stop losses are located. If the price moves through them, it triggers forced buy orders. Then you have sell side liquidity. These zones where buyers' stop losses are located. If the price breaks below them, it triggers forced selling via their stop losses. These zones are often the true targets of large operator movements. Knowing where liquidity sits is likely knowing where price wants to go. It also shows fair value gaps. These gaps are created when price moves too quickly. The indicator tracks them in real time and automatically removes full-filled ones. And last but not least are the premium and discount zones. Based on the Fibonacci range, in the discount zone it's more favorable to look for longs. In the premium zone it makes more sense to look for shorts. It's the buy low, sell high logic finally made practical. Altrady's Smart Money Indicator boosts your trading quality in 4 key ways. It eliminates subjective analysis, as you no longer need to manually interpret the structure. The indicator does it for you. It shows you the exact points where the market makers operate, so you always know where significant moves are more likely. It improves your risk-reward ratio. Entering from a fair value gap inside a premium discount zone allows for very tight stop losses. It increases the trade probability. You follow the logic of large operators, not instinct or emotions. And the result? Fewer random trades, more high probability setups, more profits over long term. If you want to stop chasing price and start trading like professional investors, the Smart Money Indicator is the tool that makes the difference. It's available only on Altrady in the Essential or Premium plan. Try it, study it, test it, and watch how trading transforms. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like if this video was helpful. And comment below if you want a step-by-step guide on a specific strategy. See you in the next video.